YouTube, Jared with Omnivore Blade Works. This is a 3V Jackal Tomahawk. It's 0.215 inches thick instead of 0.25. So I had to adjust the head on my mill in order to accommodate the variance in this angle for this chamfer that I'm machining on the underhook. You can see what it's supposed to look like. This has got some chatter marks, but I'll go back and clean that up with my rotary sanding fixture. So I'm going to turn on my coolant. I'm going to see what happens. So that worked pretty good, actually. Machine maybe even better than the 1095. Of course, these teeth on the insert cutter are fairly new. I did the final machining. I did the rough machining on the 1095 before I finished them up, and then. But it seems like 3V is a little easier to machine than 1095. So. Looks like we have success, and might have overshot the concentric ring just a little bit right here, but that's okay. And maybe I'll fudge it in the other side, and I won't go quite as deep on the next one. All right. I hope you enjoyed watching this process, and don't try it at home. See you next time.